Episode number 174. And what did you do? Said D'Artagnan. We let them tell the story out, replied Mousqueton. Then, as in leaving the cabaret they took different directions, my brother went, and did himself on the road of the Catholic, and I on that of the Huguenot. 2 hours after, all was over, we had done the business of both, admiring the foresight of our poor father, who had taken the precaution to bring each of us up in a different religion. Well, I must allow, as you say, your father was a very intelligent fellow. And you say in his leisure moments the worthy man was a poacher? Yes, monsieur, and it was he who taught me to lay a snare and ground a line. The consequence is that when I saw a labourer, which did not at all suit to such delicate stomachs as ours, I had recourse to a little of my old trade. While walking near the wood of Monsieur le Prince, I laid a few snares in the runs, and while reclining on the banks of his Highness's pieces of water, I slipped a few lines into his fish ponds. So that now, thanks be to God, we do not want, as Monsieur can testify, for partridges, rabbits, caporils, or light, wholesome food, suitable for the sick. But the wine, said D'Artagnan, who furnishes the wine? Your host? That is to say, yes and no. Oh yes, and no. He furnishes it, it is true, but he does not know that he has that honor. Explain yourself, Mousqueton. Your conversation is full of instructive things. That is it, monsieur. It has so chanced that I met with a Spaniard in my peregrinations, who had seen many countries, and among them the New World. What connection can the New World have with the bottles, which are on the commode, and the wardrobe? Patience, monsieur, everything will come in its turn. This Spaniard had in his service a lackey, who had accompanied him in his voyage to Mexico. This lackey was my compatriot, and we became the more intimate from there being many resemblances of character between us. We loved sporting of all kinds better than anything, so that he related to me how in the plains of the Pampas the natives hunt the tiger and the wild bull with simple running nooses, which they throw to a distance of 20 or 30 paces the end of a cord with such nicety. But in face of the proof I was obliged to acknowledge the truth of the recital. My friend placed a bottle at the distance of 30 paces, and at each cast he caught the neck of the bottle in his running noose. I practiced this exercise, and as nature has endowed me with some faculties, at this day I can throw the lasso with any man in the world. Well, do you understand, monsieur? A host has a well-furnished cellar the key, of which never leaves him. Only this cellar has a ventilating hole. Now through this ventilating hole I throw my lasso, and as I now know, in which part of the cellar is the best wine, that's my point for sport. You see, monsieur, what the New World has to do with the bottles which are on the commode, and the wardrobe. Now, will you taste a wine, and without prejudice say what you think of it?